Team Forex Moguls. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Back again with another banging banger. So namhlanje ngisazowenza i-video that is very interesting. Kahle kahle ikhuluma about how to journal your trades and improve. Ukujournala ama trades akho meaning ukuthi write it down, yabo, wabhale nje phansi, ukwazi uwa backtracker, yabo lona. So into engayisho ukuthi ama traders amaningi awawa journal, like mangithi journal awawabhali phansi, especially for ama beginners, so that ezokwazi ukucheck ukuthi okay imaphi ama mistakes engikwenzayo and imaphi engingafanele ngikwenze, uyayibona lona, ukuze umuntu angalibele busy enza the same thing over and over and over. So kule video nje specifically ngizokhuluma about that. So without any further ado, let me start with the first question. Question yokuqala nje, iyini trading journal, yabo? So let me type it out so that uzokwazi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukubhala lapho ngale. What is a trading journal? Yona question yethu yokuqala. So basically i-trading journal fethu ibhuku kahle kahle elikhipha track ama records akho for ama trade owenzayo. Uyabona nje mfethu, uma uyi-beginner unganalo ibhuku kusho ukuthi awunayo fundamental knowledge, because even ngisho noma escale uyadinga ukuthi kube khona la ubhala khona uma uthi uthisha uyafundisa eklasini, ngoba phela uzokhohlwa, we are human beings by the way, yabo, uzokhohlwa mfethu. So kumele ube khona nje indawo la khona obhala khona. Leli bhuku leli lizobe li-include ukuthi why, how and what happened. Why yini ekhoze lento ukuthi yenzeke, how kwenze kanjani, yabo, and leyo nto njengoba yenzekile yenziwa yini, uyayibona lona. So lento iyakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuchecka indlela ye-pattern i-market or i-trade yakho esuka i-behave ngayo, yabo. Basically nje ilezo zinto lezo zigadayo kule part le ukuthi iyini trading journal. So umbuzo wesibili, let me type it up, kuzobe kuwukuthi why ukukhipha ama record kubaluleke kangaka, like why is it so important and powerful. So let's just say why is journal, basically why journaling is journaling is important and powerful. So umbuzo wethu wesibili loyo. So into eyenzakalayo ke la kubaleka, first thing usuke ufuna ukucheck ukuthi okay kulama setups lawo yipi setup, like mangithi setup ngisuke ngichaza ukuthi indlela i-structure se-market esime ngakhona, with regards to shoot mhlambe i-strategy usebenzisayo. So i-setup le esebenzayo nale setup wena ocabanga, like mangithi nale meaning ukuthi kuba ukuthi versus, because usually uma uya kwi-market as a beginner uba nemiqondo emibili, uba nokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi lento izoya kanje compared to nalento eyenzeka kanje exactly. So kahle kahle iyona nto ekwenza ukuthi kusize le ukwazi ukudifferentiate ukuhlukanisa ukuthi ikuphi okusebenzayo, ikuphi engicabanga ukuthi kuyasebenza, uthola ukuthi kanti akusebenzi, yabo. Nalento ukuthi kukusiza ukuthi ukwazi uku-eliminate leya part yokuthi ungabi nama mistakes owenzayo due to ama emotions akho, like revenge trading no over trading, because kuyenzeka u-over trade usuke manje fake ngabe uyaphuma but wena usanalo ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza imali, leyanto kuyalimaza, iyalimaza. Nanokuthi ke iyakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukubuild i-confidence because uzothi uma usu-reviewer usuyenzile ama-trades akho usu-review emuva ubheka uzobona ukuthi okay kulama trades engikwazile ukuba successful kuwona yini eyenza ukuthi abe successful and mawusutholile ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi abe successful then uzokwazi ukufollowisha leya pattern leya then leyo nto ikunikeza more confident ukuthi okay shuthi I'm on the right track so basically it will give you the impression yokuthi what gets measured gets improved meaning ukuthi lokhu osuku ukubhekile or usuku ukuchecka or ukuscanner yikona ozokwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukuba ngcono kona ngoba ile saying ethi nje practice makes perfect isho njalo lento isilungu nje asitolikwa isilungu nje asitolika then mase siya ke ku number 3 wethu number 3 wethu basically uzochaza ukuthi yini ke manje ke oyibhalayo what is it that you record yayibo lona what to record in your journal so into oyenzayo ke oyirecordayo number 1 uzobhala let's say on your left uzobhala okay wait I need to change okay let me put it like this ukuze nikwazi nani ukubona lo under la okay guys lo under la so per trade okay per trade should see trade so which is mhlambe for any mangithi per trade I'm trying to say leyo leyo currency per trade leyo currency ozobe trade let's say euro USD slash USD yabo that's the first thing that oyiqala uyibhale then mase kuba i-dates nesikhathi ngibhale budlabha ke but nani nizobona mhlambe let's say mhla kanani 9 July sisho njalo 9 July 9 July obviously then mhlambe u8 18 in the exam am yabo then emva kaloko i-direction trade direction so ukuthi i-trade engakephi ibhayile noma iselile yabo and then after that mhlambe i-entry price ne-exit price ukuthi okay ungene ngiphi nendawo entry price ne-exit price yeah okay let's just say 1.023 masoba khona le arrow ayasifake le to mhlambe 1.0950 asisho njalo yabo then after that stop loss ne take profits yakho okay stop loss mhlambe u risk into engakanani yabo lona stop loss and take profits mhlambe let's say you say uthe 20 pips stop loss sakho 20 pips then wase wathi take profit u50 pips yabo siyangathi se TP. Okay, sorry. Yeah. And then obviously lot size usebenzisayo uma uyi-beginner nje mfethu fanele wazi ukuthi it's lot size yakho uqala nge-lot size encane mhlawumbe sithi lana 0,01 yabo mhlawumbe let's say yabo 0,01 ne-trade lo i-reason for a trade which is ukuthi mhlambe yini trigger isho ukuthi buy or sell yabo reason for trade mhlambe let's say bekuyi-pin bar mhlambe yabo lona pin bar naku yazi ile shandise echaza ukuthi iya reverse pin bar adds support or resistance it supports pin bar adds support okay sorry bullish isuke i-powerfully le trade engulfing then nokucheck ama-emotions akho ukuthi abe njani emotions before and after yabo ukuthi abe njani mhlambe ubu-nervous mhlambe yabo before then after that waswe uba relieved yabo then ke mase-ke ubhala leyo kugcina which is uyiphi lesson oyitholile from this trade yabo lesson learned from this trade you know mhlambe i-patience yakho yokuthi uyilinde i-trade noma i-setup paid off you know what I'm saying nokulinda ke for i-confirmation confirmation yabo that's it basically yabo that's it iyona zinto lezo oziconsidayo lezi whenever wenza i-journal yakho yizo nto engishoyo iyona into oyilona oyiconsidayo so la isiqale phansi ayisafuna ukuqhubeka but it's all good continue numbering it's fine so unumber 4 wethu ke that is what you write for number 3 izinto ozibhalayo then unumber 4 wethu ke basically ama-tools for journaling I'll put it like that yabo tools for journaling wona ke abalekile and simple number 1 ukuba no Excel yabo uba no Excel uwona ke most of the time labo usebenzisayo yabo u-Evernote ile ndawo le noma ungasebenzisa wona u-Microsoft because u-Evernote it's more like lento oba nayo mhlawumbe kwi-PC kubone into ka-Samsung usually nakwi-phone ungaba nayo into ekuthiwa Samsung Notes wenzela ukuthi ubhala ama-notes kona naloko nje it's not a major case yebo lona obviously nakho masudinga ukuba nebhuku iphepha nepeni ibhuku nje noma uthi ukhwaya uyayibona lonto into esimple nje yabo into esimple then after that ke unumber 5 wethu that is to actually ukuyisebenzisa kanjani-ke manje i-journal yakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi u-improve yabo. So how to use your journal yabo, right? How to use your journal. Number one, kumele njalo at the end of the week we review, because obviously phela ufuna ukucheck ukuthi are you improving or are you not improving. Ubheke nama patterns yabo, nama patterns la we setup yabo, nalawa owabonile ukuthi akakwenzela i-profits ucheck. Ubheke futhi ama mistakes lawo owenzile. Number 3, ubheke ama mistakes ukuthi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ungawaphindi futhi yabo. And then ke valo mase ke wenza iplan, uadjust nje, wenza iplan, wenze nje ngendlela e-right nge-information which is very much solid, yabo lona. So nje basically that is it, yabo lona. That is it. Ayikho enye into engicabanga ukuthi oyidingayo from that, and once you are good to go, you are good to go, yabo lona. So nje make sure guys ukuthi if more ukuthi awu understandanga and awuzwanga kahle, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. On a road to 5k subscribers, bafethu ngicela subscribe, sicommente and dislike, and nje khulekani. This time around ngizonidrophela nje very much valuable content ezonisiza, especially ngigxila kakhulu kuma beginners. Ama intermediaries yeah ningacosha bafethu there and there, but ama beginners they are pretty much lost because our understand at all. But nje I'm here, make sure guys ukuthi ke manenkinga nje nihambe guys niyoko unosfollowa ku TikTok, nisfollow ku Facebook, and obviously ungisubscribe lapho ku YouTube, because la ngidropa khona amabhenga ke YouTube, and that is where I drop knowledge. Kumanye ama platforms I show you the results. Sikhulume ngento esiyenzayo. Danko, let's get into it.